Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Boom Fantasy app. So let's get started. So basically it's a sports fantasy app. So to use it, first of all, you will just open it from here. Okay. So from here you have to log in with your email ID and password. Okay. Then after there you can just do the bet. You can bet on a player, you can just bet on the game, you can spin and win, you can just toss and up, you can make your teams, you can do the contest, like you can just participate and you can there do it whatever you want. Okay, so it is the very easiest like game. You can set a fantasy game, it's like you can win or lose, and so by this way you can just use it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in the comments section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.